Another old Ford, man. Another old Ford comes into the yard, man. Four-door hardtop. Yeah. Galaxie, I guess? Or LTD, I don't know. I'm thinking it's a Galaxie. Yeah, it's 66. And yeah, she's pretty hurt, as you can see. I don't have a back bumper. That tail light, bezel's messed up. The tail light is just hanging around. Like there's none over there actually on that side. Yeah. SHEPP something. Back window's all right. Trim down here looks good on this side, all the way on this. I'm guessing the trim that was on there, I don't know what happened to it. Doors bitched up here. Dent there. Yeah, there. But do they open? Okay. Nice, solid. All the trim of the glass is good. Vent window. Yeah. This windshield's good. This is the second 66 that I found. The other one was a Country Squire though, man. That was a nicer car. Well, it was in worse shape than this, but it was a nicer car back in its day. I took the emblem here. Not sure what was on that. I think it's probably going to be 390, 352. Obviously you can see the front end is gone. I might be in the car. Emblem here is gone. Ford lettering is gone. Like I said, I don't know what happened to the front end here. Obviously you can tell by the condenser here and the dryer. It was a factory AC car. Being in Texas, that's not out of the norm. What's that? Yeah, she's bitched up down there, bent here. This got a little issue there. Oh man, somebody put these freaking oh man, people love putting these damn things on there. I know you guys know what this is, little Venaport bullshit you get at the auto parts store. Oh man, yeah. Except got a little ding on this piece of the trim here. I don't know what that is. It says, oh, what does that say? Oh man, I can't quite make it out from here, from this angle. Maybe you guys can. Yeah, last in a row 2009, 10 years ago. This is the mirror there, side mirror, but the door looks okay. Like that old motor oil sticker there. There's the VIN there. Oh, I'm not shaking this camera that bad. Okay. Got some rust in the quarters. Yeah. Let's take a look inside real quick here. I said all the glass looks good on this car. Yeah. Let's see here. Someone took the steering column and steering wheel and, maybe odds and ends. Ignition is gone. Ignition switch. What's that? Mileage. Original radio still there. Yeah. Vents. Anyways, oh, this is for your, that's the trim on the base of the seat. Okay, well, there we are. What do we got here? Golden something writer, U.S. Pencil Company. Huh, that's interesting. Bet she don't work no more though. Or does she? Got a piece of paper here. If I can grab it. Oh man, oh no, actually it's no good. I mean the paper, it's just crumbling. Yeah. Oh, actually it still works. Look at that. I think I saw it work. Yeah. Oh, well, maybe not. Anyways, moving on. Let's take it anyways. But yeah, I guess that's the front seat. I'm gonna take it. Looks like it's not. Wonder why they put this like this. Keep the rodents out, maybe. I don't know. But come on. Let's see what we got on this side. Yeah, pretty nasty underneath. So these weren't nice. I want to say these are the back seats. Yeah. Oh crap! What we got here? Oh man. Huh. Oh, look at that hole, man! I can see the ground. But there's nothing underneath here right now. Nope. Okay. So I guess just that trim that was underneath it. Right? Yeah. Just trim pieces. The sills. Is that it there? Darn, look at that. I think that, yeah. There it is, 66 Galaxie 500 4-door hardtop. Huh, and here are the freaking keys for it. And somebody took the ignition switch. What the crap, man? Yeah, that sucks. Why take that? Not the keys, and leave the keys behind. Huh. Let's look under in the trunk real quick. Before we take a look under the hood. Oh man, well, that sucks. Yeah. Does she still work? Oh crap! Good. Yeah. Even bitched up, she still worked. And there's nothing in the trunk but some rusty floors. Yeah. And a windshield wiper. I'll tell you though, she's pretty solid underneath. Yeah, she is. Well, is there anything else on this side here that I might have missed? Lights. No, that's it. Yeah, I think this was the first year for this option right here for your emergency flashers, man. That's neat. I like that. That was also on that Country Squire. That don't want to open. Alright. Shame. These keys. Alright. Okay. Under the hood, it's gonna appear as though it's all there. For the most part, I'm going to say, yeah, those are drum brakes I can see down there. Probably wouldn't have been an option until later, maybe a few years later on these cars. Yeah. There's your AC box there. Lower motor, expansion valve. Yeah. Thermostat switch. This one doesn't have the whereas that Ranchero had a cast iron Tecumseh, this has a York, an aluminum York. Well, all the Yorks were aluminum actually. Yep. So what engine was this? It's an FE. I know it's an FE. FE big block. 2-barrel. Oh, it's a 4-barrel. It's a 4-barrel. 352 maybe. Somebody took the I'm gonna take the exhaust manifolds are off there, loose. I always thought these were cool. This is your little bag here. It's for your windshield wipers, your windshield wiper reservoir bag. And geez, I think you can see on the back side here. Is it? Can you? Windshield wiper reservoir, and you can kind of make out where it says Ford there. Neat. I always like those. Obviously she's no good now though. Yeah, man. I wonder, does she turn over? Let me see. Let's see here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I was able to. Oh yeah, look at that. One hand. Yep. Yeah, she's not locked up. I doubt. I don't think so. That's probably a good engine. I bet that thing will probably run. It probably would. Heck yeah. Well, I guess there it is, man. There it is. Pulley sport. Shame on this here too. Now, I like the way it looks. I do. Look at that. This was cool, man. You drop this thing. Drop this on the, on the ground. Some air ride on it or something. Yeah. I know some guys aren't into that, but she'd look cool. She would. Or even as a sleeper. Yeah. Yeah. You hook this thing up. Saturday night special right here, man. Heck yeah. Well, I guess that's gonna do me, man. On to the next one.